The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is a name synonymous with classic muscle car history, evoking images of raw power, aggressive styling, and unforgettable performance. But what happens when you take this legendary vehicle and breathe new life into it with today's performance technology? The answer is a jaw-dropping Restomod that seamlessly merges the best of both worlds, classic aesthetics with modern muscle. One such example is this incredible 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, transformed into a mean green machine. Finished in an eye-catching, vibrant green hue, this Camaro exudes the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Its unmistakable muscle car lines are preserved, yet the car has been enhanced with cutting-edge upgrades that make it stand out from the crowd. Under the hood, the Camaro has been significantly upgraded to deliver modern levels of power and performance. Powered by a high-performance V8 engine, this Camaro produces an impressive amount of horsepower that makes it as quick as it is stunning. The suspension system has been reworked for improved handling, and the braking system has been beefed up to ensure that it can stop just as fiercely as it accelerates. With these upgrades, this Camaro doesn't just look great, it performs like a true powerhouse, offering the exhilarating driving experience every muscle car enthusiast dreams of. Inside, the cabin has been tastefully modernized while maintaining the vintage charm of the original 1969 model. The seats are dressed in premium leather, providing both comfort and style. The dashboard features a blend of classic elements alongside modern technologies, such as an updated infotainment system, which enhances the driving experience without compromising the car's timeless appeal. What truly sets this Camaro apart is the meticulous attention to detail in every aspect of its design. From the flawless paint job to the custom interior, every component has been carefully crafted to provide a modern yet authentic experience. Whether it's tearing up the road or stealing the show at a classic car meet, this Camaro is sure to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. For fans of the Camaro and aficionados of American muscle, this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod represents the perfect fusion of old and new. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of the Camaro, showing how classic cars can be reimagined with modern performance enhancements while retaining their legendary status. This is the best of both worlds, an automotive masterpiece that combines stunning design, exhilarating performance, and unmatched attention to detail. It's not just a car, it's a statement on wheels.